Satisfies is used for type safety and to avoid narrowing types of an object. In this case, I've created a type user, and user have an age. An age can be a string or a number. And I create a user. And I know that this user will have age of 5. But the problem is Typescript gives an error that argument of string or number cannot be assigned to a number because save user takes only a number. And we can fix it with using typeof. Typeof user age, if it's equals to string, I will cast it, so user age equals to % and user age. And it will fix a problem. But this code is redundant because I know that the age is a number. To fix it, we can just remove our user. Another problem, if I add a name to the user, it will be a string. There is no type safety. So here where satisfies comes in, I can write that this object satisfies user, and I will get an error that there is no name. And let's add a name. And also Typescript knows that the user age is actually a number. It doesn't take it as a string or number. It knows it's a number. Even if I try to change user age to use, for example, a string, I will get an error because it knows it's a number. We can even improve it using as const. In this case, the Typescript will even know the value. In this case, it's 5. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.